this is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow, and this is a pretty common question actually. Usually it starts out, Rich, I've got a Eurotherm instrument and it's flashing 5 BRK. Well, it's really not a 5, that's an S, and SBRK stands for sensor break. So in short, I've got a controller, it's got sensor inputs, and I'm not seeing a sensor input, so I'm getting a sensor break. So on this one, you can see I'm flashing between 73 and sensor break. This is input number 1. And when you just jumper it like this, I'm simulating a thermocouple. It's reading 73 degrees. So why am I getting a sensor break? On this particular unit, it has 2 sensor inputs. So I need to satisfy both of them. So we're going to connect this. And with both of them connected, the sensor break goes away. So if you got an EPC 3004 or another instrument flashing sensor break, check your primary input first, and then make sure you don't have a second input that's still disconnected. Hope you find this helpful, but reach out and let us know if there's any questions. Thank you so much. Bye.